In this video lesson, I will show you what is a Pip value calculator for the GBPUSD currency symbol. The link for this Pip value calculator and also the article that explains how to use a Pip value calculator for the GBPUSD and also what are the formulas used in calculation you can find on the link below in the description. You will have a Pip value calculator and also below that you will have an article that explains everything what is used in calculation. Let me show you what is a Pip value calculator, which fields have, and also on the right side you will have a trading platform I will use to show you an example directly on the trading platform, so you can understand how to use this Pip value calculator in trading immediately. First field inside the Pip value calculator is the number of pips, so you enter here the number of pips you would like to make the calculation. If you would like to make calculation for 1 pip, just leave 1 pip here and click calculate. Here inside the instrument field you select which currency symbol you would like to make the calculation. I have used the GBPUSD. Then you have here a field that represents the lots or the number of units. 100,000 units, which is visible here, is equal to 1 lot, so you can also change the number of lots and put here number 1. Then you have here a deposit currency, and the deposit currency represents a currency that you currently have on your trading platform, and that means you would like to make the calculation directly for your trading account currency and not any other. So you get the same value that you would have on your trading platform. Then you have here a GBPUSD 1 pip size, which means on which decimal point is 1 pip. In my case, 1 pip is on the 4th decimal point, and that means when you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 1.27128, and the 5th decimal point represents the number of pips. Pipettes, sorry. So the 5th decimal point I'm not counting, but on the 4th decimal point is the number of pips. So this is okay with me. When you click calculate, you get that 1 pip is equal to $10 US dollars. Below that, you can also see the formula that is used for the calculation. There are 3 types of calculations you can make, and the first one is for the base currency, which is a GBP. Then you have for the quote currency, which is USD, but also there is a third option when you have a deposit currency equal to not GBP or USD. For example, if you have Euro, then you have also other calculation. Below that, you have an example of how to calculate the pip profits. For example, if you have 20 pips price difference, how much money would that be? So let's return here to the Pip value calculator and let's go to the trading platform, where I will open a new order with a 1 lot, just to show you an example how this works. So the Pip value calculator would give you here in US dollar how much money you would make or lose. Here inside the trading platform, in the column where the profit is, you have the number of pips, which is minus 1.2 pips. And below that you have amount in the deposit currency, which is US dollar. So if you are using here a Pip value calculator, you can put the same value here as you have in the trading platform and you will get the same amount of money. So for example, if we put minus 1.1, you would get $11. Let's put 1.1, click calculate, you get $11. So you can see, you can use this Pip calculator to predict how much money you would make or lose on take profit or stop loss if you have number of pips. So let's change this order and put, for example, 100 pips, which means 1000 points. Click change, and inside the trading platform you have here a take profit and a stop loss. When you go here to the take profit, which is equal to 980 US dollar as a profit, that means 98 pips. So this means if you put here 98 pips, you would get 980 US dollars, which means before opening an order, if you know how much pips the take profit would be or the stop loss, you can simply use this Pip value calculator, enter the number of pips here, and you will know how much money you could make or lose on this trade. So if if you would like to make precise calculation, is the trade profitable or not, to be in line with your risk management, you can simply use this pip value calculator to calculate the value of a number of pips, and you would get in the US dollar or any other deposit currency you have on a trading platform. So you can see how this pip value calculator is very useful for you in calculation of profit and loss before opening an order. So if you have any questions regarding this pip value calculator, simply leave a comment below in the description and I will try to make an answer in the following videos. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!